Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS made by Rmzcity. It is 1/32 scale model. I bought this model from Amazon.in around 450 rupees. According to the price, the quality of a model is good. I will provide link in description of the video if you want to buy or another that type of model. If you are not already subscribed to our channel for more video like this, you may also follow me on Instagram for daily updates. Let's get started the video.